The ROG Keris boasts the new ROG Micro Switch with a 70 click lifespan and gold-plated electro-junction for improved durability and longevity. Strict ROG manufacturing standards ensure each individual switch is inspected and sorted, with both left and right switches paired to keep force deviation between plus or minus 5 GF for a consistent click feel. ROG worked with professional gamers during the design phase, using their feedback to create a gaming mouse with exceptional ergonomics. The resulting shape finds the sweet spot, providing a comfortable grip and exceptional control. Improved ROG Paracord, an extremely flexible and lightweight cable designed to minimize snags and maximize movement. Plus, the raised port design of ROG Keris provides space between the cable and mousing surface to reduce cable drag and noise. A DPI on the scroll feature enables mouse sensitivity adjustments without having to access the menus. Just press and hold the DPI button and spin the scroll wheel to change sensitivity levels. Alternatively, clicking the button cycles through the 4 DPI levels. Top reviews from the United States. Great mouse for small hands. I am super particular about the mice I use because I have small hands. I used a Roccat Kone Pure for about 5 years before moving on to this one. The shape is perfect. The most comparable mouse to this size is probably the DeathAdder Mini. I've tried the DeathAdder Mini and I definitely prefer this shape.